Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are finally going to do Super Younger's little cousin.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Anyway, I'll show you for a while.
Okay, easy. So, where do we start? We're going to start with the eyes.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to draw. In fact, let's start with the hair. I think it's the same like with Super Younger, where the hair is going to go over the eyes. So, we're going to draw some hair like that, a line like that.
Yeah.
And we'll do another one back there. And we'll do some bit like that, and back up that way, and another bit like that, and up. And now we do a longer bit down the side and down and back up. So this is just some of the hair to get us started. And now we're going to draw some eyebrows that covers it. So just thicken the eyebrow line there, and on the opposite side as well. And now, so we're going to draw right through this hair. And we draw a thick line like that, and the same on the opposite side. Got it?
Yeah.
And we draw a nice little line here for the bottom part of the eye, and one there. Okay, we can draw a line closing it up that side and closing it up that side. We draw a big pupil, but it's going to have some reflections inside.
Yeah.
You got that? And so a little heart-shaped reflection at the bottom, and a little oval one just above it. And we make the other eye. Heart-shaped reflection, and a little oval one just above it. Let's see. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. When we add the color, it will look better. And down here, we just draw a smile. Now we draw a long bit of hair hanging down here, and it will kind of finish off the face. And then we draw the bottom part of the face. You got the face? So now we add more hair. She's got very long hair, so we can add hair going up and finishing it at the top there. And then look at this. Okay, yeah, you got it, you got it. We need to add a little pom-pom there. My line is crossing over. Sorry, Super Younger. Sorry, Super Younger's little cousin. And then we draw long hair coming down the side. And we draw extra long hair strands here, and we finish that bit off there. Okay, we can use these lines, make these lines a bit longer. So we got the hair on that side.
Yeah.
And now just finishing up that bit there to make more hair, and we're going to take this hair long down the other side. Thin bit over there. And leave that side so long because we might have to draw some going behind the arm.
Yeah.
Okay, so now a little neck.
Okay.
Little neck, yeah. We draw little body, torso there.
Yeah.
And this side we draw going outwards for elbow, coming back in for a sleeve. And we go up for the sleeve. Let me see. Yeah. And we draw a line till there. See, it looks like a sleeve now.
Yeah.
Now we draw a little line there to form a shoulder. Oh, I went too deep. And then we come down. It's okay. Mine looks a bit weird because the neck looks a bit like it's far to the right. Okay. And now we draw fingers like the thumb and the palm. Just like that, no fingers.
Yeah.
Sorry, I said fingers, but no fingers. And that's the body bit. Now we draw the belt or the waist of the dress. You got that? And now you see there's a few levels here. There's 1, 2, 3. There's, okay, so it's light purple, white, light purple, and white again. So we do this bit for the dress. That's light purple.
Yeah.
And now we do a thinner bit, which is going to be white. And now we do another bit, which is going to be purple. And then another white bit. And then another light purple bit. And then white again. Really thin. I'm going to make a seam too tall now. And now, because we've already made it tall, I'm just going to make the legs kind of shortish. And we're throwing legs there, and the other legs going there. And we just make toe shapes. And she's pose is pointing inwards, her feet is pointing inwards. Yeah. So now we draw the top of the little boot, the shoe.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
We draw a little sole on there. Then a line going over by the toe and one coming down. You got that?
Yeah.
And like a toe line and one coming down. Yes. And now for this other arm. The other arm is just sticking out to the right and going up and like that. So you can make it the same length as the other arm. Let's see. Let me see. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. And let's draw the thumb and the pad again for the other hand. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. And now we can add that other super long hair, but it's going behind now. And we fold it back in there and we take it up there and another piece here. Huh? What a drawing! And that is Super Younger's little cousin.
Yeah.
I hope she's gonna be happy with this. Okay, easy. Time for color. So she's got mostly purple and white, and obviously her skin color is there, and her eyes are dark, and basically the hair and the eye can be dark grey, but we leave the reflections white. Good to go?
Yep.
Good to go. Here we go. Color time. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That is Super Younger's little cousin.
Yeah.
I hope she likes the drawing. Also, we wish everybody well, all our Muslim friends, we wish them well over the holy month of Ramadan. And hopefully everybody has a good month and has a good Eid ul-Fitr as well. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
Have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye.